Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Eurasia Mining, and if you look at the price chart for this company, so what you can see from the lows of 2017-18, it has already risen by 12 or 13,000%. So this kind of phenomenal rise is indeed very good those who are holding this script. But just to look at the company, so if you go to the company website, you can see that this company has been working for the production of gold, copper, platinum kind of things. So what you can see here, if you haven't heard about this company, I'm sure that most of you guys have heard about it. So if you just know that gold price will definitely going to rise, so there is every possible fundamental thing which will push the gold price higher. If so, what I'm saying is not on daily basis, but I'm talking about a long term trend. So I've already posted a video on gold and silver as well. One might check it on my channel. So understand this, that share price will move much faster than one could ever think. Okay, so it's not about business and it's not about the economic indicator, but when you're talking about share price will go and will run much faster than any other indicators. Okay, so having said that, these kind of things are not, though it's in terms of percentage it's phenomenal, but I'll not say that this is nothing which one should not expect. You should expect this kind of moves, at least in mining, gold and silver mining companies, because the way things are shaping up in fundamental terms, so there is every possibility that the gold and silver stocks or related to those companies will definitely have a good time ahead. Okay, now that is all about a general commodity concept, that why you should go up or not. But talking about this particular script, you should look at the support and resistance and you should work accordingly. So as far as the trend is concerned, okay, as far as the trend is concerned, the way it has moved, so does indicate that there are levels which one should taken care of. So your first support level will come at 15.96, then you have 10.77 as your next support, then you have 8.54, and you have 3.31, and probably you have 1.94. Okay, so these are the levels which one should look at, because the simple fact that the way the stock has moved, it opens up lots of levels, because it has broken out from one, you can say two or three, four. All these levels have been broken on the upside, and the way the stock is moving, if it is moving in the same way, so your first target and resistance will be 31. So it has recently tested $31 and falls back, but if this level, this 15 and 31 holds, so possibly the way it is moving, it will definitely go and retest 31, and once it crosses 31, it will definitely go towards 63, which will be the next target of the resistance, and beyond 63, 64, you have 287. So there are big levels which are uh, yet to come, and the probability for this is, I can say, the probability is very good. If I am not say phenomenal or excellent or very high, but the probability of going higher is very good in terms of this script. Okay, and the simple reason beyond this, or simple reason behind this, is the fundamental which is working for this company, or for the similar set of companies which are uh, doing trading, mining, or any activity related to precious metals. Okay, because the fundamental of those commodities are changing. So although the trend is looking very good and the trend is looking on the upside, you should know about your support level and place your stop loss accordingly. So in case of any kind of adverse situation, when you can see 12,000 or 13,000 percentages of gain, so obviously you must place your stop losses accordingly just to make sure that you are not going to lose enough in case of any adverse situation. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.